The Air Jordan 4 Tour Yellow is officially returning in fall 2026, bringing back one of the boldest and most collectible Jordan 4 colorways of the mid-2000s. Originally released in May 2006 as part of the Jordan brand LS line, this pair stood out with its white leather upper, black detailing, and the eye-catching speckled yellow midsole. Sneakerheads still remember its most iconic feature, the removable flight patch that hides the exclusive Rare Air branding, a detail shared with fan-favorite editions like the Undefeated 4s and other Rare Air releases. Highly sought after in the resale market, the Tour Yellow 4 remains a grail for collectors thanks to its loud colors, youthful energy, and departure from traditional Bulls-themed designs. Now, fans finally get another chance to secure a pair. Expect the Air Jordan 4 Tour Yellow to drop on August 29, 2026 at Jordan brand retailers and Nike.com for $220 US.